Live fast, ride hard, and make no apologies. Because life's too short to live half-heartedly. On two wheels, every moment counts. Every throttle twist, every curve, every heartbeat reminds you that freedom isn't given. It's taken. You don't owe anyone an explanation for chasing what makes you feel alive. In 2026, let Vietnam's breathtaking roads become your stage, where speed meets spirit and adventure meets purpose. Ride bold, live free, and never look back.